Hi everyone, a very warm welcome back to my channel. So have you ever tried Bofrot or PuffPuff made with yogurt and without sugar? If you haven't, then you should try this recipe because it's gonna be your new favorite. In today's video, I'm sharing with you how I made this simple yet delicious PuffPuff. So do stick with me if you want to know how it was made. Thank you. In a bowl, I'll start by adding 2 cups of flour and I'll gently sift to avoid any lumps. All ingredients used will be listed in the description box, so do check. Afterwards, I'll add some nutmeg, followed by some milk powder, and I'll add some salt, and I'll stir till everything mixes up. So yeast tends to die when it comes into contact with salt, reason why I mixed it before adding the yeast. I'll then add 2 tablespoons of yeast and I'll mix everything again. So after mixing, I'll add 2 tablespoons of Greek yogurt. You can as well use natural yogurt and that's okay. And to our secret ingredient, because we are not using sugar, I'll add a cup of condensed milk. Afterwards, I'll add some drops of vanilla extract and I'll add a cup of warm water and I'll mix everything. So usually I do add a little bit of sugar and a little bit of condensed milk when making this recipe, until I saw my sister cooking with Efya use condensed milk for her puff puff. So I tried it and I loved it, reason why I'm sharing with you. So this is the consistency I want, but you can add just a little amount of water to loosen it up. I'll cover with a cling film and I'll allow it sit for 40 minutes roughly. So after 40 minutes, this is how our dough looks like. I'll preheat my pan and I'll add some oil. So thank you so much. If you've watched this far, I truly appreciate it. So with a clean hands, I'll defloat my dough and I'm sharing with you all 3 ways you can use in frying your dough. Kindly make sure your oil is hot enough and you deep fry it on low to medium heat for a perfect outcome. It's so easy that I really hope you try and then give a feedback. So as you can see, I'm adding my dough in bits. So just like I said in my previous puff puff video, if your oil is not too hot, the dough tends to soak too much oil and then it becomes crunchy, and you don't want that, especially if you're not the type who wants crunchy puff puff. So just allow the oil to be hot and then you're good to go. So just look at how beautiful this turned out. This is correct Ghana puff puff or Bofrot, and trust me, it finished within a blink. So if you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to like, share and then subscribe. I really hope you try this recipe and give a feedback. See you in my next video and have a blissful weekend. Bye.